Hi guys, and welcome back to New to Country. This is part 2 of what I got my kids for Christmas, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys because I know my kids are gonna be so excited, and I am just impatiently waiting until Christmas morning. So I want to know how many of you guys only wait until Christmas, or do you do the one day, like not one day, like one gift on Christmas Eve? Like, is that allowed if your kids know that Santa's not real? Because mine don't yet, but I want to know, so let me know down below. So first toy out is this gal right here. The show is so cute, so cute. The kids love it. All they talk about is Bluey, so I had to. Her sister is available, as I said in part 1, but she is more expensive because she's hard to find, and I still haven't even found the parents yet. They're hard to find as well. You know what? Actually, so let me tell you guys something. Hold on. Oh, I had first originally bought this little thing. So sad, so tiny compared to this gigantic monster. I bought this. I kind of knew the size, right? I'm like, all right, inches, that's fine, right? You know, this was $20. That was $20. They're the same price, and the size difference was way off. One was from Walmart, one was from Amazon, and this was like $7 at Walmart. And when I saw that, I was like, wow. But when I first saw how tiny this was, when it came in the mail, I was just like, you know what? It's okay. They're gonna love it. It doesn't matter. And then something told me to just look for a bigger one, right? And I saw that for the same price that I bought this one for, and I was just like, no, going back. So she will be going back. Anyway, after my little rant, I had to get that out. Next will be just a good old Optimus Prime, you know. Oh. So guys, if you wondered why I slowed down on like my what I got on Amazon videos, were been kind of boring lately. Let's not lie, right? So that's because most of the stuff I've been getting is from Amazon, and it was Christmas stuff. So I wanted to do a whole different video on that. So there was things that I had to edit out because I could not show you yet. But now we're gonna get those out of the way. Next up is this cute little game. My nephews and I used to play this, and now that I have kids, they're gonna love that. It's a cute little game, so cute. And then I got this Transformers game, and some good old Donkey Kong. This is hard to get out of the box. You guys know me struggling with the boxes. So, Legos. Tons and tons of Legos. Hey guys, I have one more huge monster again that I cannot pick up. Like, it's literally the same size as me. I couldn't even get it through the door. It was a struggle trying to do that by myself. But let me show you that. So, real quick. Hi guys, and welcome back to part 2 of when I got my kids to when I got my kids to country. What? Hi guys. Okay, well, that is hi guys. We're saying goodbye, not hi. Okay.